Hi, ChatGPT has just come out with a brand new version, ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas. So what changes have been made? ChatGPT with Canvas is a version of ChatGPT that includes an extra feature called the Canvas. This allows Canvas users to work with more complex pieces of content such as documents, code, or longer text. So perfect for us when we're writing our blog posts. How about we just dive into it and see how it works. So I'm creating a blog post for my new blog that we have been working on over the last couple of weeks. Here is the keyword. Let's just see how it does, just going straight off the bat with, can you please write a SEO optimized blog post for this. My niche is traveling Brisbane with a family. So let's just see how it goes. So you can already see the difference here. It has got our conversation now moved over to the left hand side, which I can't change the dimensions, but I can drag that over a little bit, help us out. And let's see how it went, just straight away. Kid-friendly walking and hiking trails in Brisbane. Looking to explore Brisbane's beautiful outdoors with the family. There are plenty of kid-friendly walking and hiking trails. Easy to walk. I'm obviously not going to read the entire thing out to you. I'm just scanning over it. So far though, tone of voice is great. It hasn't used anything. Let's dive. It's done the let's dive in, but that's to be expected. Otherwise, from what I can see there, tone of voice is great, which confuses me because 4.0 isn't the best for instant tone of voice. So it's formatted it. It's only using one H3. I would prefer a couple of H3s. Bullet points, not bad for this type of thing. It is a list, so a list with bullet points makes it easier to read through. Can you add 2 H3s under each H2 to help provide some more detail and information? Do not add fluff or filler though. So let's see how this... Okay, so actually you can see it doing its thing as we can scroll down. So let's see how it's done. I've added 2 H3 headings under each H2 to provide more detail while avoiding unnecessary filler. Okay, so here's our H3s. Street Parkland offers a variety. So now, if we actually select this text, get rid of all my garbage, we can improve it. Oh, let's Grammarly, ask ChatGPT, here it is. So we can actually change the font directly here, italic, bold. So we can actually format our article. Oh, that's a pain having my Grammarly up there. Suggest edits, adjust the length, reading level, add final polish, add emojis. I'm not a big believer in emojis. I'm a bit older than that era. But let's see what happens if we ask it to adjust the length a little bit longer. Failed to edit. That specific text I was attempting to modify couldn't be found due to a slight mismatch. Let me make the... Okay, so there you go. It's found its issue, fixed it, make it 50% longer while adding more useful details. The Roma Street Parkland offers facilities like bathroom shaded. Additionally, there are water fountains, barbecue. So that's fantastic. It hasn't actually added any junk in there. It has actually just added more information that people would want to read. As you can see there, I can actually directly edit this document. What I was wanting to see is if we can suggest edits, commenting. I've added comments and suggestions to help improve the writing quality by providing more specific examples and details that would be useful for families planning their visits. Let me know if you need further assistance. Consider adding specific examples of equipment available. You might want to mention, You might want to mention whether these facilities are accessible to people with disabilities. It could be helpful to specify locations of these amenities. Add a brief mention of any interactive features or guided tours available. Consider including an example of a specific plant or garden section that is particularly interesting for kids. Wow. So this here is an absolute game changer for writing content. As you go through, you can just change, edit, add information, which is going to make our lives a whole lot easier. Copy. Don't need to do that. Can you please include a keyword in this H3? Let's see what that does. Kid-friendly playgrounds and facilities. So there we go. A nice easy edit. And lastly, we will have a look at changing the reading level. So we don't really have a huge amount of text here, but let's just select what we can see on the screen. Move this over again. We can change the reading level. High school, college, graduate school, kindergarten. So let's see how extreme this goes. Let's go kindergarten. Is a true gem in the... Simplify the text to match a kindergarten's reading level. With your family, there are lots of easy walks and fun hikes. Roma Street Parkland is in the middle of Brisbane and is great for families. The pathways are flat and easy, perfect for strollers and little legs. There are pretty gardens, water fountains, and a big playground for kids to have fun. Don't miss the spectacle garden. Has lots of colourful flowers that kids will love. So that reading level actually is just nice and simple. I can't believe that's your kindergarten level. So next extreme, graduate level. So it expanded that quite a lot. And exploring Brisbane's natural environment with your family, Brisbane offered an abundance of accessible walking and hiking trails suitable for children of all ages. Okay, so there's not a dramatic change. I guess it's still keeping the same tone of voice, which is what we want. How about we work on tone of voice? So we're going to go... Oh, no, what have I done? We don't want that. We're going to select that section again. And this time, can you change the tone of voice to sound more Australian? So obviously when using this, it would be better to turn off Grammarly, because that's just been a pain in the backside. Right in the middle of Brizzy is an awesome spot for families. The paths are flat, perfect for little heaps of themed. So I'm seeing a few Aussie words in there, which is nice to see. It doesn't look like it's overdone it, which is also a good thing. Sometimes when you ask AI to sound Australian, it completely overdoes it and ruins the text completely. But there you have it. I'll leave it there. So you can see you've got your reading levels, length of the article, add final polish we will get into in a future video. Emojis I'm not going to bother with. But I'll keep having a play around with this, and as I learn more, I will create more videos showing you what this new ChatGPT is all about. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.